Hello friends, and welcome to another video in our series on how to create a WordPress theme from scratch for a software services agency. And in this video we're gonna take a look at the menu. So it would be nice to navigate through different pages without having to write in the whole address here up here in the URL. So let's go back to the back end, and we have to add a menu. So in our files or an inc folder, we have created, or I have created, a page called menus.php, and in this page we will tell WordPress to include our custom menus. So first, let's just do a PHP tag, and as always, comments right there, and we need a package. And what do we need? We need the text domain, and I'm going to close this one down there. Don't need that for now. And let's go back to our menus, and let's do that. Right, and a little comment there, so create all the menus here. All right, so let's add another comment. So this is the custom navigation bar or bars, and let's add a function. I'm gonna call it add navbar. In this function, we're gonna use a WordPress function called register nav menus. Register underscore nav underscore menus, and in here I'm going to add an array, and the navbar I'm going to use here, I'm going to name it id ciy underscore navbar, and we are going to name this the main ciy navbar. Hit save. Sorry, no, semicolon there, and just a colon, sorry, comma, and a semicolon right here. And then below here we need to add this an add action hook. So add action like this, and first thing it's going to do is init to initialize our menu, and then the name of the function up here. So this is the add navbar. Paste it in, and let's save this. Now what we need to do is we need to bring this one into our functions.php, obviously, same as we did before. So below here I'm gonna do require, and then get underscore template underscore directory. Okay, and in here it's in the include folder, inc folder, and then menus.php. All right, save that, and we'll go back and refresh. And in our appearance, we have an option for menus. Also, we go to customize. We have an option for menu here. All right. So we have to do a few things here on the back end. We need to tell WordPress what pages we want to use. All right. So if we look here, the menu name, let's do this. We just remove a few things here. So remove this one, custom link, yes, content design, services, terms and condition we can remove. And for now, yeah, let's keep that one for now. And I'm gonna do first, that's a CIY navbar. Let's create this menu. Okay, now you can see here we have display location, the main CIY navbar, which is the name I put here main CIY navbar. So I can assign this menu to this location. Okay, and if we go down here in here to manage location page, let's just save that. All right, and manage locations. So here you can set them up here as well if you have many navigation bars there as well. But we only have one for now. So next thing we need to do is we have to go back to our header, and we need to add the navigation bar. So let's open up header.php in the root of our folder, theme folder, and under body we have to add the whole navbar here. So remember, for the footer we had this function here. If it's not on the front page, we want to display it. If it's on the front page, we don't want to display the menu at all. So let's do that. So let's go back to our header.php right there. All right, so let's open up a PHP tag right there, and then let's do an if statement. If an exclamation mark, that means is not. So is front page. So this means if it's not front page, we can do this. All right, so let's actually just let's just show the menu for now. Yeah, let's do that. All right, so we need a function called vp underscore nav underscore menu. All right, and this takes in an array. We only have one value here, so let's do that. So theme location. All right, so now we need to find its theme location, and if we go back to our back end, so remember we have the location here. So it's this one, main CIY navbar, but we need a language here, something that the WordPress understands. So if we go to menus.php, so it's this here, that's the location, the CIY underscore navbar. Let's copy and paste that, and down here semicolon at the end. And well, let's just save this, see what it does. Now let's go back to our front ender, and let's refresh. Let's see, header not step 19 is not page, is not front, so is front page. I did write what I said instead of just writing the right function. Is not front page. Okay, let's save that and refresh here. All right, so now we got the whole thing here. So what we will do later on is we will change the home to a logo. Right, so that's that. Yeah, that's that. And yeah, let's stop there. So in the next video I will design the whole menu for now. All right, so that's it for now. Yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in the next.